Hi there, today I'm going to be showing you how my kitchen looks before it was remodeled and then after it was remodeled. So let me show you. I'm going to show you the entrance of the kitchen. This right here is walking into the kitchen. The reason we're renovating the kitchen is because we moved here like about 10 years ago. When we moved here, the cabinets were already scratched and they are very worn out. I'm showing you here a close-up of how the drawers and how the cabinets look. This kitchen also has that tile countertops. Some of these tiles are very worn out already. Here where I'm putting my finger, there's already some cracks. A lot of the tiles have already cracks on them. Also, as much as I try to keep them clean, any like liquid goes inside them and it gets them like really dirty and it becomes like a black color around them or like a brownish color. Right here next to my blender, there's this tile that already moves. It's already broken, but it was like that when we moved. Right here next to the island, we have more broken tiles. It's funny that from the distance, the kitchen looks okay, but once you get so close to see everything, the kitchen really needs a renovation. Now it's time to start this project. We have two other workers that are removing the countertop tiles. This other worker that is measuring the countertops, he's the one that is going to be installing the countertop, so he's measuring the length. These workers are experts at removing tile and countertops. They took less than 2 hours to remove all the tile. Let me show you the kitchen countertop that we picked. We picked the white quartz, is the one in the middle. The workers have delivered the white kitchen countertop. This is part of the island and this one is ready to be installed. Inside the kitchen, I filmed this part because I wanted to show you that they had already installed two parts of the countertops. In this part of the kitchen is where the sink goes. We wanted a white double sink that will go under the countertops. But to be honest, it was so difficult to find one until I finally found this one. Right here, the countertops are already installed. They cover them with the plastic because the painter is gonna get ready to paint the cabinets. My husband here is helping out the painter. My husband is helping with the covering of the countertops, covering some of the appliances, so the painter can start painting faster all the cabinets. So now let's look at the kitchen when it has been remodeled. And here it is, the kitchen has been finally renovated. The painter already finished painting all the cabinets. The color that we picked for the cabinets is a dark brown. The countertops are white with lines. And then in this kitchen, we also added the sink. So it's a new sink. Let me show you some other features that we added to the cabinets. Let me show you, we added some handles on all the drawers and we added also some handles to almost all the cabinets. We also added handles on the top cabinets. Let me also show you the new dishwasher. We actually had to buy a new one because the one that we had previous, that one broke down. We also picked this one to be white so it could match with the kitchen. I also wanted to show you the bar stools that I ordered. I was debating to order white or dark brown, but I finally decided for the dark brown. I ordered 4 of them because there's like 4 spaces here. It's pretty big, so I love these ones. And I also wanted to show you the sink. The sink is a double-sided and it's in white. I also want to tell you that don't forget to check my Instagram for more healthy recipes there and so you could see more about my life. And here in YouTube, don't forget to check out all my healthy recipes. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!